The Rosetta Stone is one of the most significant archaeological discoveries ever made, serving as the key to understanding ancient Egyptian civilization. Historically, it has played a crucial role in deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphs, the enigmatic script of this long-gone empire. The purpose of this narrative is to explore the discovery of the Rosetta Stone and its impact on unraveling the mysteries of ancient Egypt. In 1799, during Napoleon Bonaparte's campaign in Egypt, a French soldier named Pierre-François Bouchard stumbled upon a slab of black granodiorite inscribed with 3 different types of script. It was uncovered in the small village of Rosetta, known today as Rashid, hence the name Rosetta Stone. The stone measured over 1 meter in height and weighed about 762 kilograms. Upon its discovery, Bouchard noted the presence of 3 distinct scripts engraved on its surface: Greek, Egyptian Demotic, and Egyptian hieroglyphs. The presence of Greek was particularly significant as it was a language well known to scholars of the era, providing a valuable point of comparison for decoding the other 2 scripts. As the stone changed hands between the French and the British, it eventually ended up in the British Museum, where scholars began working tirelessly to decipher its texts. The task was daunting. Knowledge of Egyptian writing at the time was speculative at best. Jean-François Champollion, a linguistic scholar and an intellectual prodigy, played a pivotal role in this effort. Champollion had long been fascinated by Egyptian culture and, through his study of Coptic, an Egyptian language that used Greek letters, he finally cracked the code in 1822. Champollion realized that the hieroglyphic script was not purely symbolic, but often phonetic. His breakthrough allowed scholars worldwide to begin translating countless texts from temples, tombs, and monuments across Egypt. The Rosetta Stone thus became the bedrock upon which modern Egyptology was built. By providing the means to interpret hieroglyphics, it opened the door to understanding Egypt's history, culture, religion, and way of life. Thanks to the Rosetta Stone, names and events that had been forgotten for millennia could now be studied, giving historians unique insights into one of the oldest and most influential civilizations. Today, the Rosetta Stone remains one of the most visited artifacts in the British Museum. It stands testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, demonstrating the power of language as a connective thread through history. More than just a piece of stone, it represents a monumental leap forward in our quest to understand the ancient world.